Had to swing by the Airbnb today because we're getting a new water meter. Not that I wanted it, just the city says, hey, you gotta get a new water meter. This is our Airbnb, by the way, place between the lakes. It's a great spot to stay in Minneapolis proper, but today it is snowing and I've been really trying to make a video for my To the Twin Cities channel where I'm talking about winter and also showing winter and like showing a proper snowstorm or blizzard or whatever you want to call it. And I would say that today qualifies as that. Whether or not it's going to be photogenic, hard to say. But it is a proper winter weather advisory according to my weather app. It says it's sleeting right now and it actually might just sleet until about 3 a.m. But it looks pretty good to me. I think it'll be doable. The only downside of sleet rather than snow is really that it's generally smaller flakes, not quite as big chunky flakes, and it's wetter. So my cameras are probably gonna feel that. Also, Chris likes a really small shovel for the house, so. Heading from just outside of Uptown where the duplex is, Cedar Isles Dean actually, heading into downtown, some traffic, as you can tell. And I'm gonna do my best to kind of find somewhere to park in North Loop, but actually, quick little pull off at Banema Costco. This traffic is crazy, but I'm literally dead stop right now on the way there. Aha, these little hand warmers, if you don't know, these are incredible, especially for doing photography. Take these two little guys, shake them, kind of expose all the little granules to air, and then they take, I always use it like 5-10 minutes before they start getting warm. I hate wearing gloves when I'm dealing with a camera and kind of having to adjust. So hand warmers, being able to warm up the fingies between takes, between shots, very cool. I gotta admit, I'm just annoyingly Minnesotan sometimes, and just wearing Reebok Classic C85s, just some regular sneakers, and yeah, not particularly well prepared. Don't have a hat, got my hair, got my Filson jacket. Luckily this is decently warm. Got these hand warmers, so those will go in here, and then as I get cold, I'll either, you know, just hold them in my hand, or I'll just pop my hands in here, and they kind of start to heat up the pockets and all that. And it's honestly, yeah, these things rule. I've done some very, very cold photo shoots with these. Got my photos, and just because it's going to be kind of a long day, I think I'm putting the AirPods in. I don't know what I'll listen to. I know what y'all listen to. Getting some huge flakes now. There we go. This was maybe the only thing I was worried about, is that there would be none of this. when there's not very many subjects because it's freezing cold out, sometimes you just gotta be your own subject. I've honestly got quite a rig going on. I got a wireless mic, DJI mini wireless mic here. I have the DJI 360 camera, whatever that's called, and then the Sony A7 IV is what I'm shooting this on. I was gonna have another camera, but my God, it was just too complicated. Down there, there's like a clock tower at the depot. It's actually quite a ways from here, but with this zoomed all the way in, I think it can look pretty cool. I don't know, maybe. Got the Skyway.
Appreciate you. Whew.